Welcome to the discussion. Today we're diving into crypto taxation in Dubai for expats. It's a pretty dynamic landscape.
Absolutely, there's so much to unpack here. What stands out immediately is that individual expats can trade, hold, mine, and even stake without facing any personal income or capital gains tax.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a breath of fresh air compared to other jurisdictions.
True.
Individuals keep on 100% of their crypto gains.
I find that fascinating. In many countries, crypto profits are taxed heavily, but Dubai is all about that tax-free vibe for personal crypto transactions.
Right? But then there's a twist for businesses. Since June 2023, companies, especially crypto exchanges and asset management firms, earning over 375,000 AED annually, are subject to a 9% corporate tax.
So while individuals enjoy tax-free earnings, crypto businesses have to watch their bottom lines. It's almost like a split personality in their tax policy.
Exactly. And there's also that 5% VAT on goods and services. If you use crypto to pay for products or services, that VAT starts playing a role.
Interesting point, right? VAT affects the transactional aspect rather than the investment gains, which is a small nuance but important for businesses and consumers alike.
And let's not forget the benefits of Dubai's free zones. Zones like DMCC and DIFC provide enormous advantages for crypto entrepreneurs. These zones offer zero corporate tax, 100% foreign ownership, and streamlined regulations.
That's a key point. The free zones essentially act as incubators for crypto enterprises, making it easier for startups and established firms to navigate the regulatory maze while enjoying a competitive edge.
Yeah. And it's like having an express lane when it comes to setting up your business. No need for local sponsors. And you get access to an ecosystem filled with blockchain resources
Right,
and
exactly.
industry experts.
This streamlined process is particularly attractive for digital nomads and expat investors who want to maximize their operations without bureaucratic hassles.
But here's something to note. Even though there's no tax on personal gains in Dubai, expats, especially US citizens, might still have to report their worldwide income back home.
Yeah, that's a crucial caveat. Exactly. It reminds us that while Dubai offers a tax haven, international obligations can complicate things. Financial planning in this realm must consider both local and home country regulations.
And speaking of regulations, Dubai has been proactive in creating a robust framework. Agencies like the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, VARA, and the Dubai Financial Services Authority help keep things in check.
Yes, VARA is key in regulating virtual asset service providers, ensuring AML and counter-terror financing measures are strong. It really helps in maintaining the integrity of the crypto space.
Absolutely, it's like a safety net. But I do wonder, do you think such a strong regulatory focus might eventually lead to more taxation? I mean, the future is always uncertain.
That's an interesting question. While Dubai currently champions tax-free personal crypto earnings, there's speculation that as the crypto market matures, there might be a shift. However, any future tax would likely remain competitive globally.
Right? And it's a balancing act. On one hand, keeping the region attractive for investors, and on the other, ensuring market stability and protection for investors through solid regulatory measures.
Indeed, exactly. And the corporate tax structure for crypto businesses is a good example of this balance. They still offer free zones as a way to help businesses reduce their tax exposure.
Yeah, setting up in DMCC or DIFC can be really strategic, with benefits like zero corporate tax, 100% ownership, and simplified licensing procedures. It's like a magnet for foreign entrepreneurs.
Absolutely, I agree. It's interesting to see how these free zones have become real hubs, almost like accelerators for innovation, especially with initiatives like the DMCC Crypto Center.
Right on, and the Crypto Center has been a real game changer. It offers not just regulatory support, but also physical spaces and resources that encourage networking and collaboration among blockchain experts.
What's also interesting is the comparison with global jurisdictions. In the US, for instance, crypto is taxed as property and can hit you with high capital gains taxes.
Exactly. In contrast, look at Dubai. No personal tax on crypto gains. It's such a
It's like
stark
night and day.
difference.
And then you have places like Germany, which offers tax-free status only if you hold crypto for over a year. Dubai's immediate tax-free approach seems much more straightforward for investors.
Yep, and countries like the UK, Australia, Italy, and India impose varying tax rates on crypto profits, making Dubai's straightforward system a huge draw for expats looking to invest and trade.
Right, definitely. The simplicity of Dubai's personal crypto taxation framework really gives it a distinct edge in the global market. It's a big reason why so many high-profile investors are making the move here.
Yeah, there's even a high-profile example with Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao relocating to Dubai back in 2021. It certainly speaks volumes about the allure of this tax environment.
That's a strong endorsement. While we're on the topic, do you think there's any risk that these incentives might eventually squeeze out some stability or maybe even lead to unintended consequences?
Well, that's a fair critique. I mean, the tax simplicity is fantastic for individual investors, but the regulatory landscape must evolve in tandem with market growth. Any overregulation or sudden tax changes could potentially deter investment.
Yes, that's a valid concern. It's like walking a tightrope. Too little regulation can fuel risk, but too much might stifle innovation. And then there's the potential of future tax policy changes. A capital gains tax or crypto transaction tax could always be on the horizon as markets mature.
Yeah, precisely. The current framework seems to favor growth and innovation, but I guess time will tell if the government adjusts policies to adapt to the evolving market.
Indeed, and for now, expats benefit greatly from this favorable climate. The current rules, especially for individuals, are pretty unmatched by most other nations.
Totally agree. At the end of the day, Dubai offers a compelling blend: tax-free personal crypto activity, attractive free zones for businesses, and a supportive regulatory framework that fosters innovation.
Spot on. And for entrepreneurs especially, those free zones are like a launch pad, making it easier to set up shop amidst a robust support system.
Exactly. It's a bit like having the best of both worlds: innovative, tax-efficient personal gains on one side, and structured, well-regulated opportunities for corporate ventures on the other.
Yeah. I really appreciate how this guide paints a comprehensive picture of crypto taxation in Dubai. It not only highlights the benefits, but also hints at potential challenges and future directions.
Right, and it's a must-read for anyone in the crypto sector looking at Dubai as a potential base. Staying informed on both the current tax benefits and the evolving regulatory landscape is
Definitely,
key.
informed decisions always matter. Well, this has been an engaging chat. It really underscores why Dubai remains one of the hottest spots globally for crypto expats and businesses alike.
Absolutely. Thanks for the lively exchange. It's been an enlightening conversation on a topic that's shaping the future of crypto investments.